Would you like to learn how to make animated faceless videos that have the potential to receive millions of views and bring in significant revenue? It's not a dream, it's a reality. And the evidence is this educational kids channel that has gained 47 billion views and more than $6,000 at least in monthly revenue. And that's what we will see in our video. So prepare your belts for the next minutes. So let's start and show you the best method for creating animated videos without faces, applicable to any niche. Be careful to choose the niche taught you will happy with, and at the same time, it must be in good demand. First, you need to know that there are two main ways to gather video ideas: by brainstorming, or maybe by using AI tools. And like this, you will get hundreds of ideas in the shortest time, and then you can choose the best of them. Once you have finalized your video concepts, the next step will be creating engaging scripts. There are two options to achieve this. If you are confident in yourself, I recommend that you write the script on your own. However, if you find it challenging, you can leverage ChatGPT for assistance to get a short script from. ChatGPT for your educational YouTube video. Start by using the prompt, "Please write me a short script for an educational YouTube video," titled "Open an Arch," and insert the title of your video. Continue your writing and type. The video should include specific topics or information you want the video to cover, as well as the desired flow or structure. It's crucial to mention your target audience so that ChatGPT can customize the script accordingly, and ChatGPT will not spare you with an amazing script that will bring your video to the next level. And let's try together. I will write to ChatGPT, "Please write a short script for an educational YouTube video," titled "Farm Animal Sounds." The video should talk about farm animals, their names, and the sounds they make. The target audience for this video is kids, so just hit enter. And as I said, ChatGPT will not spare you, and here a great script is ready for our video. After obtaining the script, it is time to proceed to the next step, which include the animation. No worries, my dear viewer. Don't listen. Animation, and imagine this view. We will use just Canva. And if you want to benefit from a 30-day of free trial of Canva Pro, you can check the link included in the description. This trial will give you access to premium features and stock footage. Once you're in Canva, click on the Create a Design button and choose YouTube Video from the search bar for this video. We'll be animating farm animals. Search for farm setting in the Elements tab and choose the one you like. Once you found the perfect setting, drag it onto your scene, right? Click and set the image as the background. And if it's a video, you can duplicate it several times until it suits the length you want. Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. Next, let's add a cow from the elements. Choose the one you prefer and drag it onto your scene to animate the cow. Click on the Animate tab at the top of the screen. Click on Rise. You can decrease the speed of the animation to make it look more natural. Ensure to select the reverse exit animation. Repeat this process for all the other characters using your creativity. Once your animals are fully developed, it's time for voiceovers. Go to ElevenLabs and explore the diverse selection of voices available personally. I recommend Gigi's voice. Happiness can exist only in acceptance. It's a warm and engaging tone, but the possibilities are endless. Next, copy and paste your video script into the ElevenLabs interface. Take a moment to listen to the generated audio and make sure it matches your expectations. Hello, young farmers. Welcome to another exciting adventure on our farm today. We'll be exploring the wonderful world of farm animals and the amazing sounds they make. Get ready for a barnyard bonanza. Click the download icon and repeat this process for all the animals in your script. If you need to use different voices for different characters, simply change the voice settings before generating each audio segment. Once all your audio files are downloaded, you're ready to move on to the next step to enhance engagement and captivate viewers in our video. Let's introduce an animated speaking character using Adobe Express Animator. Upon launching Adobe Express Animator, click the Create Now button to commence your creative journey. You can use any of these characters. Drop your audio from the Browse button. Wait some seconds, and here's your amazing clip is ready, and you can download it from the Download button. Hello, young farmers. Welcome to another exciting adventure on our farm. Today, we'll be exploring the wonderful world of farm animals and the amazing sounds they make, but don't forget to choose landscape from the size option in the beginning. And also, you have the ability to choose a transparent background from the background department. Now, our next step is enhancing our story by adding sound effects and background music for adding sound effects for each animal head. Over to Pixabay.com. Type in the search bar the name of your first animal, for example. Cow moo, select sound effects from the drop-down menu. To refine your search, hit the Enter key to view the search results. Listen to choose the one that best suits your animal's actions. Once you've selected a sound effect, click the download button and repeat the steps for all the animals in your script to enhance the ambience of your video. Let's include cheerful and captivating background music. Enter kids. Music in Pixabay, select music in the menu. Take the time to listen to each track and choose the one that complements the mood of your story. Once you found the perfect background music, click the download button incorporating sound effects and background music. You will transform your animated story into an immersive and engaging experience for your audience. Now it's time to bring them together in Canva and create our masterpiece for a creative animation. You can click on Create an Animation and move this B as the animation that you want. And I recommend also to click on the Steady option, and you can manage the speed from the speed line. And with some creativity in Canva, here's our result. And Daisy, the cow. One sunny morning, Clucky noticed something unusual near the barn. Hi, I'm Wally. Hey there, Wally. Welcome to our farm. I'm Clucky and this. Here's my best friend Daisy. Would you like to join us for some fun, Plucky? And Daisy knew that making friends was as easy as being kind and welcoming. So, thank you for joining us in this video. If you found a value on it, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. See you in the next video.